Okay, in my second video, I will show you the staff file management portal. You see this manage document here and manage employee. Manage document, this all panel is UCS admin panel. So any admin can manage all the documents here. Even the users upload the document, he can view. So all the documents will be managed on this window, and the admin can also add the document. When he click on add document, he can upload file, whether it's Word file, PDF, image, or anything. But make sure the file should not be the file size should not more than 20-30 MB. So at least 5 to 6 MB is okay. So when we go to the home page again, so here is the manage employee. Any admin can create a user. When I click on manage employee, here you will find I have created as for some users, just for testing purpose. I can delete it. When you click on delete, it goes, you see. Okay, I'm gonna add employee. When you click on add employee, you will find the window. You can write the name of employee you want to create it, his email address, and the password. Click on add employee. So you click on add employee. It will take some time and the window will disappear. That means here I just created came somewhere. If I will go to my email, I found one email from UCS Catering Services. When I click on it, here is you have been successfully added by the admin. You may log into the account. Here is the link below. Username, the same email address, password is 12345 from admin. So I'm gonna click on it, then I will give the password. I can log in and upload my files. So it's so easy. When you click on it, the link will automatically open. It's secure. Last username and password. You can click on manage document, and he can upload the document by using this option. Once he upload the document, admin can view everything on his window. So here it is all about the staff management portal. Any employee can upload the file and admin can view. This portal, the backend admin, is very secure. It's secure. No one can access the link, and also no one can access the inside the options unless you have a password. So admin can also change the password frequently or monthly basis. It's up to you. Thank you so much. This is all about the kitchen website, dynamic website, and staff portal. Thank you.